guys, it's Haley and I am back with another video. So, in this video, it'll just be a quick one. I'm going to go through the last 2 rounds of secret word envelopes, the winners. So, round 17, there was 1 winner, and that was Miss Wanda Lewis. And in the round 18, there was 3 winners, but 1 was from Australia and thought that it was like a digital, like the prize was digital. So anyway, so there was 2 winners left from that round, Lisa T. Vargas and Miss Carrie V. She's Double Click Connect, a busy bee, and she has another name like from Instagram, YouTube. Anyway, and all of these people like vintage stuff. Miss Wanda's always liked vintage, and after the I think it was after the 4th package, Lisa won, she emailed me and said, like, from here on out, she, like, would prefer vintage things. And also, when Carrie V won, she's won 1 other time, she emailed me and was, like, looking for book pages and vintage stuff like that. So, this time, instead of doing all of the bright cactus stuff like that, I knew they wouldn't like that. So I went ahead and put together just a little more vintagey package. So I'm going to go through everything. They each got a full sheet of the washi stickers. These are so pretty. The washi stickers from Yalidi. And there is a sample of this fabric. And it does have, I can't remember what it's called, but if it's heated, you can iron it and it will stick. But I just use it as fabric. I love this fabric. I got it on a roll. It is chintz fabric. And I know I have given a sample of this before in a vintage secret word envelope. But I don't know. Miss Wanda's probably got some of it, but anyway, here's some more. I love this fabric, and yeah. There is an image from the botanical journal, not botanical journal, it's a botanical book, and every page had some sort of like image or drawing on it. So they each have a sheet of that. And then there are some stationery samples. There's 5 of these and 5 of these, so 5 of each of these notepads. Super cute. I've actually used these and fussy cut that image out a couple times actually. And also there are 3 sheets, because I didn't have as much left of this super cute, I'm sorry, I'm really shaky today, this super cute note list. I love it. The lines are like wiggly. I don't know, I really like it. That is from the Target Dollar Spot. These 2 are from Michael's. They also each got a sheet of these stickers that I got from AliExpress years ago, literally, when I first started doing junk journals and memory planning. That was 2014 or 2015, and I love them. I actually bought another pack, you know, a couple years after that. So I have 2 of each. They each have a different one. So there's like little banners pieces right here. These have all different shapes. There's like stars and like scallop circles, page corners, regular circles, and then like border strips down here. So there's all different types of stickers on here. You can kind of see on the back, but I really like these. So they each got one of those. Then they each got one of these super pretty flocked like mandala image craft note cards. These were also from Yalidi. There's 2 3-packs, so I used 1 3-pack in this. And then they each have one of the glassine bags that I ordered that like aren't glassine. They're more like, they're just wax paper. And in that, they each have a large clothespin, a tiny natural wood clothespin, a large and small of these super cute enamel paper clips. And also you can pop, like these are stickers on top of the metal. You could pop these off and alter them yourself if you don't like the actual writing and stuff on them, but I actually like them. I think they're cute. And then also Jen sent some keys, like from the Michael's Dollar Spot. There was a pack of keys. So it was from a 4-pack. So they each have one of these. I just tied a little string on it because I didn't know how I was going to attach it, if I would hang it or anyway. So they each have one of those. Lisa's has a different type of large paper clip. So she got an extra, like an altered paper clip, a charm altered paper clip. So she has a large, a small, and an extra charm, plus, you know, all these things. Well, I guess I can just leave that out. So I had it all nicely laid out. I've been trying to remember to like take my picture for Instagram before I do the video. That way I don't forget, because once I do these, I seal them up and then they're sealed and ready to go out the door and I can't take a picture. Okay, and then there's just a few other little things. There are 3 doilies, and these are the doilies. Jen sent a pack. It was like a pack and a half all in one of these super cute doilies. Always perfect with your vintagey crafting. She also sent some pages of cut-aparts of these little library cards, and I used some of these in Yeliti's journal. These are the ones that I sewed to the clothing pattern paper. Really cute. And you can coffee dye them if you want them more grungy. Then they each got one of my favorite stamped image. The last video I did, I stamped 6 of these, and I've already painted 2 of them. I started one in the video. So there was 4 left, and so all 3 of them each got one. Love it. And I fussy cut it already, so it's ready to go. And then they each have a 5-piece and a 6-piece of these super cute Jenny Bolin banner stickers, and then also 8 stickers of the Tim Holtz hole reinforcers. So that is everything. So everybody got, you know, as I said, the same thing. This was the only like substitution. Other than that, the only differences are like color differences, or if it's, you know what I mean. So anyway, I hope they like it. This is just a quick video. I have been doing lots of stuff behind the scenes. I actually had a couple Depop orders randomly. I have not uploaded new clothing to my shop since right before Christmas. And I still have things selling. And I still have more clothes to upload on there. I need to do it more. But anyway, so I had that, and I made another package. Zuli wanted the planner, all of those planner layouts, and she was like, I'll pay you for them, whatever. And I was like, well, if you just pay half of the shipping, you can have them. So she paid $3. Of course, PayPal keeps them. So I got like $2.60, and then it was $4.33 to ship it. So I paid for some of the shipping too. I wanted to, because I intended on giving them away anyway. So yeah, I wanted to pay for some of the shipping. So I hope you all like the video, and I will be back with some more crafty videos very soon. I'm so excited. And yeah, I want to do a layout in our botanical journal. I'm planning some things. So anyway, I really hope you like the video. I hope you ladies like your envelopes. Today is Wednesday, and they will go out tomorrow morning. My fiance always takes all my packages on his way to work. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye!